Overall, women's rights are critical. The primary subject of reproductive rights can include abortion, contraception, family planning. It's endless. Women's health is a huge topic, but we're seeing that the oppression and stigmas that we have around women's health are holding them back everywhere around the world. They struggle for control over themselves because of culture, politics, and we see everywhere that men are writing policies regarding women and their bodies. It is unfair for women, whether it is in America or another country, to not have any control over something integral to their lives. So because of these ways of thinking, when one website put it perfectly, feministcampus.org, women and girls around the world face numerous barriers to accessing basic contraception and family planning services and basic maternal health care, resulting in hundreds of thousands of women dying needlessly each year. So when dealing with these issues, we want to start thinking about the leaders who are trying to create change in the world. One of the organizations that I found was the World Health Organization, their Department of Reproductive Health and Research. They're specifically working towards a world where all women and men's rights to enjoy sexual and reproductive health are promoted and protected. So hopefully, as we get further into the future, we can see more organizations popping up like this around the world, trying to create a better dynamic for women.